because we've now set a precedent where any bad actor can just take a couple of road flares on a windy day behind Laguna or Bel Air and burn down the entire place. And they know that the state and local government are going to make it so painful for the residents, they're going to lose at least 50% of the population through attrition, and then they'll be able to snatch up that property, pennies on the dollar. You get to invade the country and take over these areas without ever firing a shot. So these are the kinds of things that I know the Senate is definitely going to be turning their attention to, how it pertains to what's happening with all these federal dollars, because that's really what they have oversight over.
I'm going to let Ron jump in here in a second, but I want to ask you something about Hot Shot, the movie.